If you're relying on just one income stream, your 9 to 5 job, you're walking a tightrope with no safety net. Passive income is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 types of passive income you need to have, not someday, but now. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are realistic, sustainable, and beginner-friendly income streams that can change your life over time. Let's get into it. 1. Dividend stocks. This is classic passive income. When you buy shares of companies that pay dividends, think Coca-Cola, Amazon, or Apple, you get paid just for owning the stock. Here's the beauty. You don't need a ton of money to start. With apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Fidelity, you can start with just a few bucks and build over time. Let's say you invest $5,000 into dividend stocks with an average 4% yield. That's $200 a year, literally money for doing nothing. Pro tip, reinvest your dividends to grow your portfolio even faster. 2. Digital products. This includes ebooks, templates, online planners, digital courses, and more. You create something once, and it sells over and over again with zero extra work. If you're good at budgeting, design, fitness, or even using Excel, you can turn your skills into a digital product. Example: I know people making thousands a month selling Notion templates or wedding planning spreadsheets. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or your own website. Create it once. Sell it forever. 3. Rental income. Yes, this takes some capital, but it's one of the most powerful forms of passive income. Own a property, rent it out, and collect monthly checks. That's simple. If buying a whole property sounds impossible, consider real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Arrived, where you can start with as little as $100. Bonus option: short-term rentals like Airbnb can be more hands-on, but using a management company can make it nearly passive. Real estate builds wealth like almost nothing else. 4. Affiliate marketing. This is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. You can do this with a blog, YouTube channel, TikTok, or even Instagram stories. Example: recommend a book through Amazon Associates, and every time someone buys, you get paid. Doesn't cost the buyer more, but you earn passively. Over time, this can snowball. A single video or blog post can bring in income for years. Key tip: only promote stuff you actually use or believe in. People can smell fake endorsements a mile away. 5. High-yield savings and interest apps. Last but not least, high-yield savings and interest apps. Now, this isn't going to make you rich, but it's low risk and 100% passive. Many online banks now offer 4 to 5% APY. That's way better than traditional banks that give you 0.01%. Even having $10,000 sitting in one of these accounts could earn you $400 to $500 a year, risk-free. Also worth checking out. Apps like Yada or Prize Pool, which gamify savings and give you chances to win prizes based on your balance. So, here are 5 passive income streams you need to consider. 1. Dividend stocks, digital products. 3. Rental income. 4. Affiliate marketing. And 5. High-yield savings and interest. You don't need to start all 5 today. but pick one and get the ball rolling. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. I post weekly videos on building income streams and financial freedom. Let me know in the comments, which one are you going to start first? Catch you in the next video.